going on? Mike here with Protein Hacks, and today's protein hack is blueberry banana high protein donuts. That's a lot to say, but they are delicious, great for early morning breakfast, high power, a lot of protein, and we're going to be comparing it to a regular donut from a big donut chain, just so you can see how the Protein Hacks version is a better option for you for your breakfast. I'm ready if you are. Let's get in our kitchens and start making us some protein hacks. Alright guys, hope that was easy enough to follow. These donuts really came out delicious, and I look forward to using them for a quick morning breakfast or maybe like a pre-workout whenever I'm going to be going to the gym early in the morning. I love banana bread, and they taste exactly like banana bread, and they have the added blueberries in there. They're going to give us a lot of B vitamins and energy to kickstart our day. Now, let's jump into the macro breakdown so we can see exactly how the Protein Hack donut is going to be a better option for your early morning breakfast than just grabbing a donut from your local donut shop. Alright guys, welcome to the macro breakdown. Now today we're going to be comparing our blueberry banana bread protein donuts with Dunkin' Donuts glazed donut, plain glazed donut, just the most generic one you can get, and we're going to be doing one serving of each, side by side, a little bit different than normal, so we can speed things up. Let's jump right into it. So for our Protein Hacks donut, we're looking at about 157 calories, and our Dunkin' Donuts version, we're looking at 260 calories. So we're gonna go with our Protein Hacks version, winning the calorie mark. You could almost eat about 1.5 of these, and you're still gonna be under the amount of calories that the Dunkin' Donut version has. Next, we're gonna go straight into fats. Protein Hacks has 7.4, and Dunkin' Donuts is 14 grams, almost twice as much. So our Protein Hacks version is winning here again. Next up, we're looking at carbs. Our Protein Hacks donut has 15.7 grams of carbs, which is mainly just coming from the oats. And the Dunkin' Donuts glazed donut has 31 grams of carbs. Again, about twice as much in the Dunkin' Donut version. So Protein Hacks again is gonna win in the carb department. Next on the list is sugar. Protein Hacks has 8.2 grams of sugar, and Dunkin' Donuts has 12 grams of sugar. Not a big difference here. A can of soda has about 30 grams plus sugar. That's the way I always kind of compare. If you're drinking soda, stop. It's bad for you. Lastly, and most important, we're looking at protein. Our Protein Hacks version has 9.4 grams of protein per donut, and the Dunkin' Donut has 3 grams of protein. Now again, looking at the calories to protein ratio here, if we ate 2 of our Protein Hacks donuts, we're going to be at about 300 calories. We're going to have 20 grams of protein. And if you eat 1 of your Dunkin' Donuts, you're almost at 300 calories and you have 3 grams of protein. Now this is why Protein Hacks took all the categories here. So in conclusion, the Protein Hack Blueberry Banana Bread Donut is the victor. Now let's wrap things up. Alright everyone, hope you guys found this recipe helpful, and I really hope you guys try it out. If you do, let me know in the comments how yours came out. If you have any questions about how to make the recipe that I didn't cover in the video or in the description, let me know in the comments as well. Also, if you have any ideas or requests for any kind of protein hacks, let me know in the comments. If you're enjoying the videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. That way you can be informed whenever a new protein hack comes out. Also working on a blog where I'm going to be adding a lot more recipes. They're a lot easier to just type out for me, and eventually they'll be getting videos. But for now, it's easy to just, type up recipes, and I'll be linking that in the description soon. Be sure to look out for that. Follow me on Instagram, that way you can be informed about the blogs and everything else, and just get an insight on what I eat on a daily basis. Thanks again for checking out the video, guys. Really appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next Protein Hacks.